I'm Kathleen, and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Let's do a vocal warm-up today that would be great for daily use. These vocal warm-ups and exercises will help you to develop an awesome voice. A little bit of focus work every day will net big gains in the long run. Let me know in the comments what some of your favorite vocal warm-ups are. Let's begin with a quick alignment check and a few relaxed, slow breaths. You might feel like opening up the front of the body and then releasing any unnecessary tension. Let's do a couple of yawn sighs, beginning a yawn, but instead of completing the yawn, sigh down. It's okay if it makes you go into an actual yawn as well. Memorize this feeling and try to allow singing to feel more like sighing. We're going to start on a gentle hum and sing now to a glide. You can sing this on a V sound, or a zh, like zh. We'll sing. Here we go. I wanted to take just a moment to make sure you know about the mobile app that I've published for vocal warm-ups on the go. It's commercial free, some of my very best playlists, and you can save your favorites for offline use. It's called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen, and the link is below. I do hope you'll check it out. Next, let's sing on a lip trill. Work for free and easy airflow. We'll sing on the following pattern. a moment to notice and release any tension in the jaw, tongue, and neck. Let's sing loo-lee, 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 loo. Keep the jaw movement gentle and minimal and allow just the tip of the tongue to do the work. Here we go. Loo-lee, 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 loo. To a hng-ee sound, like hng-ee. As we get higher, feel free to modify that vowel to something a little bit more open. But if you stay on the E, make sure it stays tall. Here we go. Hng-ee, hng-ee, exercise works on gentle, easy movement in the jaw. Make sure that we have two distinct vowels, fah-ee, and that it doesn't morph into fah-ee. We want just a little bit of motion in the jaw and allow the tongue to stay with the jaw for this exercise. It sounds like this. Here we go. With a similar feeling of gentle jaw movement, we're going to try this exercise. It sounds like this. Once again, that's here we go. Check in again on alignment and relaxation, and let's gently sigh down. Still retaining that feeling of sigh through our range, we're going to sing on the words I sigh to sing. Like, I sigh to sing. We'll start pretty low and we'll go pretty high. Let the lyrics remind you to keep a gentle openness of sigh in your vocal tract. I sigh to sing. 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 Thank you so much for singing with me. It is always a pleasure. I hope you'll check out my Vocal Warmup app as well. See you next time.